Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So, viewers, in this video, I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very pretty crochet sewing centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very unique. Ideas for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. These are super amazing and incredible crochet sewing ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all. These are very beautiful and very amazing crochet sewing ideas for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. Always take care. These are very pretty and very amazing crochet sewing ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. These are very amazing and very unique crochet sewing ideas for you guys. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.